morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome back. Live streaming again today, and we're here back trading with our PA. Do have discounts with Apex? I don't even know anymore. I don't even know anymore. I'm still. What the heck it happened here? I think there's okay. No discount yet. Welcome back, guys. I'm gonna right now share the live stream, and then we evaluate what's happening today with the market. What wants to do? What does it desire to do? Wait. Ah. Let me see right now your channel here. I didn't know Formula 1 already showed the cars for this year. I'm impressed. I have to share everyone. 5 on. Okay, now it's shared. I need to understand where is my live streaming here. Where is my chat? I cannot see the chat. It's there. Okay, so let's see what wants to do right now. Well, where is the chart in a daily situation? Wow, we have definitely pushed there. Opening print level is gonna be somewhere here. Pre-market high. Oh my god. Is pre-market high the same as no, it just did not break. Okay. Wow, pre-market low. Previous days. Crazy continuation, guys. We have FOMC tomorrow. That's interesting. So we're definitely nice push. We didn't take these highs. Let me see on the 6 months chart here. Of 6 months, yes, sounds enough. 6 months. What a beautiful push here. We're getting to this high that start this big sell, but we didn't take it out yet. I mean, I'm not looking for it to be taken out today. Wow, pre-market just got there to the level, but did not take it out. Interesting. Interesting. We'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna wait to see what the market wants to do, and we'll play it. Crazy. Gold instead. I'm gonna see what's gold is doing right now. Daily high still pushy. Big gap lower. What happened in gold there, guys? Is the contract moved? Because I don't understand why we have. Oh, we have a gap higher. Just pushed higher. Why my daily candle is weird? Close and open here. Maybe for the change of the contract, I believe. Then there is no other reason than that. How are you guys? How is everyone? Alaikum salam, brother. How are you, man? Alhamdulillah. Everything good, brother. Very hot today again in Brazil. I'm drinking juice of grape juice. 100% suco de uva. Look at that. Grape juice. Market is opening in one. Let me see before I show you private stuff, guys. You have to be careful. Imagine I'll show you things about work. Market just open right now. Good morning, Mufti. Good luck, man. Amazing how you're trading in this period, man. Your consistency. I think you're killing it. Keep going like that, brother. Keep going like that. That's the way we want to see it. Market is opening to the lowest side. I was looking for definitely these things to come a bit lower. Now we'll see what he wants to do, how it wants to play around this level. We have time. I'm looking for one good trade per day or two. Yesterday we had two good trades. Now we're gonna wait, see what the market wants to do. Wants to now maybe create this one. We have two double top here on the top. I don't care. I'm looking to see how the markets evolve before deciding to take something. I'm down. We'll figure it out. And Mufti, you're doing amazing. So proud of you, man. And hopefully I will come back as well soon on that level. I mean, I'm confident about it, so I'm very chill. Don't be so proud. I am proud of you. Shut up. Let me be proud. Where's the freaking line? I did again and lost my account with max payout. I did it again and lost my account. What do you mean you did it again? Oh, what did you do yesterday? You told me you had a loss. That's it. Oh, you didn't accept it. Did you revenge on it? Dominic, good morning. After that loss, I didn't accept it and blew all of it. No, man. Ah. Oh, why are we doing this to ourselves? Why we are not able to accept some losses? I mean, for me it happened last week, but last week I admit I was trading in PA like for fun. Now that I'm trying to go back to do the right things, losses have to be accepted, guys. Like yesterday I texted you, because I realized when I texted you yesterday, Mufti, when you shared the trade to me, I was like, I say that I did this question, then I realized my mistake. I told you maybe it was better to look long just because we're looking upside. Then I was like, wait, I cannot speak about something happen afterwards that easily and true. Until now he had good trades and today he took a loss. So it's normal to take a loss. It's normal that you see the market in one way and you take a loss. So you took a short, was a beautiful short, and it happened to be a loss. Peace and love, and we move on. And the next 4 days before maybe are all green days. Man, what with? Yeah, like we used to do, my friend. Look, analyze a trade. It's fine. Don't heavily analyze it. For me is even better because it's so much after information that you're like, I could have done this, I could have done this, I could have done that, I could have done this, I could have done that. Yeah, because you know all that. Okay, let's remove all this information and think about what I did at that moment. That trade was good because I looked until now and the market was moving lower. I took it, accepted it, moving to the next day. Assalamu alaikum, Gray. And yeah, Fayyaz, good morning. Dominic again. Yeah, it's we are in that trap idea of we need to be right every time. We need to be correct every time. And if we are not correct, it's because we are reading wrongly the market. That is the piece of shit we sometimes we keep in our head is like, I don't, oh, my trade is red, I did something bad. My trade is green, I did something good. Bullshit. We have to stop basing ourselves on red is bad and green is good. Bullshit. A green trade can be bad and a red green can be good. You take a green trade and you won it by breaking your rule, that is bad. You take a red trade because you followed your intuition and trade and strategy and everything, that's a good trade. Yeah, it's really a bullshit thing because that's what I hated is like why we look to be right every trade. We cannot. If not, we will be millionaire if we're looking for perfection. Most of the profitable traders have a win rate of 50%, 40%, 55%. That means they are making mistakes once every 2 trades. They're making mistakes, sorry. They're having right trades every 2 trades, not mistakes, because they are not mistakes. It's, for my point, Nick, personal opinion, I'm going to say personal opinion, I believe it's not correct what you said because everything can happen in a market. You take a short here, this is a fake out, this is before tack, you took a short, then it went back up. You don't know what happened here at the moment at this moment of the day. India said something about Trump and the market skyrocket. And your mind will say, I've done a mistake. For my personal opinion. Good luck, Mufti. Move on. Did you take a trade now or you just you called it yourself? Oh my god, this market is selling off, huh? I'm so happy I didn't take a long, you know, with my old style, my old thinking, I would have said this is a liquidity grab. We closed above, opening print level, take a long up to the double top. I mean, then each one will have their own strategy and way of the base that, and I agree. Each one of us has their own strategy on way of enter and exit, and it can be very descriptionally, it can be very, you know, reasons behind. So every strategy has its own way of evaluating it was a bad trade or a mistake. So like Nick strategy. But yeah, we have to stop forcing ourselves on hating on ourselves on being red. If overall we're doing well, like if overall at the month we're growing slowly, slightly green, and we take a loss, and we're taking losses, it's still a great month, still a great day. My God, man, I got destroyed by mosquito last night. I got destroyed by mosquitoes. I wanted to scream last night. Man, 80-90%. And it's true that there are these people, and I'm not gonna deny it. There are these people, I mean, like Nick said, his mentor, 80-90%. What a good life. What a freaking good life, 80-90% win rate. Right? What a good life. Very few trades per week. That's a big thing. That's a big thing because he's like looking for only A plus setup. He's like I don't give a shit about the setup. I'm gonna take this setup because I'm sure it's A+ setup, and boom, that's it. You miss mosquitoes, man. Mosquitoes here are monsters in Brazil. They're monsters. Probably 4-6 months, weeks, and everything had to align. 1.5 still, it's still, wow, freaking hell. That guy was making bank. Was making bank. Can we make bank the same way, Nick? Can we make money as well? Nick, which country are you in? I'm in Brazil for the last few days, guys. For the last few days. I'm in Brazil for the last few days, and then on Sunday, new country. I will tell you about this on Monday on the live stream, what I will be. Man, they're monsters. They're monsters. They're human. They're freaking piece of human flying away, piece of crap. You cannot even slap them with your hand. They slap you back. I mean, Aaron, I'm honest every time I travel, I trade, I live stream, and I work. I have a full-time job. It's full remote, but trading is not my income. As I wish I want to be, and this is my future goal, I'm honest in my YouTube channel, that's not my first income. It's my job. There is a mosquito net. I use it. It's just something happened yesterday and it opened and I was done. Of course, my edge works similar to this. Win per second usually do, but I'm not trading till well enough. So it's, yeah, I see your point. It's still emotional and everything around. I mean, you are in the right path. I believe you improved a lot, Nick, in the last 4 or 5 months you've been here. I think you had from the beginning you were totally doing something far away from what you're now. Now, I wish that is my personal goal. That is my goal: full-time trading and traveling. Because trading, the beauty of trading is if I do it like now, it's 1 hour per day, and then I call it, right? That's the beauty, and then I can leave. But it's not yet. It's not happening yet. So for the moment, I'm still a traveler and working full time, and I'm fine because I love my job and everything. Yeah, it's been okay. You're getting there, and you're getting there, brother. Break every test of these lows of the first minutes. It can be interesting to continue lower. Yeah, that's gonna be interesting, guys, for a continuation lower. I'm gonna get it, guys. I'm gonna get it. I like it. Stop just here at the high. Break your test of this area. Opening print level. And yeah, opening print level here. I'm gonna take it. Yes. I could have had a better entry. I'm gonna accept the loss if I'm wrong. I'm not gonna hold anything against me. I've done that things for the last 2 weeks. I got cooked. Everyone dream, mine too, but not profitable. Yeah, it's everyone dream, right? It's that freedom of trading and living the life. But yes, waiting. Yeah, I agree with that, Nick. I agree with that. I'm looking for just another leg lower. Probably I'm gonna get cooked by this. It's a good chance. Let's see. Might flatten it in advance. Mm-hmm. 26,000 rejected there. Yes, it's bouncing nicely. I'm gonna call it out in advance. Don't like it how it's just pushing back, retest, gone higher, coming back above. I'm gonna accept this loss, lower loss, and I'm gonna wait. Could have waited a little bit more here. I waited a bit. I went aggressively on this retest, but it's fine. Good morning, little loss. Good morning, traffics. Guys, I'm sweating my life. I cannot connect the fan because there is my computer connected. Do you want to trade or you want to sweat? I don't know that Formula 1 already presented the cars. Formula 1 Ferrari 2026. I'm curious about what is the Ferrari of 2026. Oh, a lot of black. Very little red here in this new Ferrari 2026. I mean, less red. Interesting. Let me see. Let me show you. Strong rumors are that Mercedes are going to be really far out front. First, Mercedes, I think they will. That's why I think what Mercedes is doing in this year, like last year, they were hiding. Last year they were hiding. They were just preparing for the new car. That's why they were not there complaining. They didn't do anything. They didn't give a shit about 2025. And this is the new car. This is the new car. No, this is not the new car. Wait, Formula 1 Ferrari 2026. First look of Ferrari. Ferrari presenta. I think this is it, no? And I believe right now, look at this. Day one highlights of 2026 Formula 1. I very sure it is the fourth. Ah, no, GT4.
Car, smaller, lighter, and a completely different aero package. The big news before the cars hit the track was that Williams would miss the Barcelona running, explaining that they are pursuing maximum car performance for 2026 and will instead conduct a Santinelli at the wheel. This Kimi Antonelli.
It's going to be an interesting new year, guys. Let's see how it's going. Still holding there the opening bid level. Still rejecting the opening level there, guys. Looking to see what the market wants to do around that level, and then we'll figure it out. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. I'm excited for this year. I think because of the new rules and everything, we have so many things happening on this new year. So anything can happen there. I'm a Ferrari fan, but Ferrari has been always a pain in the ass to support. Market looking to rebounds there. Williams are cooked again. I mean, they did very good last year with 2 podiums, I believe. And one win or not? Did they win with Sainz or they got podium? Sainz. Must be the water. No, it's we're checking. Must be the water, Ferrari. Freaking hell, Ferrari must be the water. My seat is wet. Must be the water. We're checking. I'll come back at you. My God, Ferrari. It's crazy that Ferrari for so many years is getting played the fool of strategy-wise. Strategy-wise, Ferrari is the fool of the grid. Do you remember when they put I think Leclerc, they put him back to the box for the last lap to gain 1 point for the fastest lap, and he loses 2 points of position against Alonso. So he lost position, so he loses more points against points of the fastest lap. Stupid. Alex Berlin Longs, yes, a long idea right now looks good. Yes, Nick. It's a big factor that Ferrari still has the main research development in Italy, and many engineers don't want to go far away from their family. The best engineers want to be in UK, close to their family and everything. It's looking good for some longs here. Let me just get I like this position. I'm gonna take it on for a continuation higher. Just 2 contracts there. I want this break higher here. I was like, what video? It took me like a second to understand. FVG, Fat Video Girls. I think that the reason of that name came out from that. The name of that things came out from that, guys. I imagine the guy that ICT creating the oh my God, that's for me. I'm impressed by how much money he made by creating names like that. Wow, we're getting nice there. Nice squeeze. Gonna get it out there. Beautiful, guys. Only 2 contracts just because we didn't get a real retest quick, but I like the closure, the holding, 2 micro contracts. We closed in advance this. Yeah, plus, yalla. We need this money. I mean, for the moment, we're a little bit down, but it's okay. $37. We did good to cancel the first trade in advance. And right now, the long is the one looking great. A retest of this 27,000 area will be amazing. Nice 27,000 there. 26,000, sorry, 26,000. How is crypto going there? 87,000 Bitcoin. Man, guys, crypto has been nothing in the last year. Nothing. It's crazy. All-time highs? Are we in all-time highs? I didn't even check, to be honest, with our all-time highs. Are we all-time highs? Ah, no, all-time highs is still far away. Here. At 26,000 free. It's not even that many points. It's only 400 points. Nasdaq already did 400 points in one day. This is 400 points. This is 600 points. From the bottom here is 500 points. So it's doable. The markets wants to really rally, but I don't think it will do it because tomorrow we have FOMC. We have FOMC tomorrow. By the deep Tuesday. By the deep Tuesday. Beautiful run here. There was no actual retest of the opening print level. It would have been a nice entry here to take longs with the full sides, but I take it with, I believe, half sides there because I would have risked these lows here. $134. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Almost a little bit more upsides. Took these highs, took the next one a little bit longer. Now we're taking a big level there. Does it wants to hold or play around? We'll see. It's still early, guys. Only 9:56. Let's see if it gives me a retest of a level that is nice, like this one or this one at 26,000. Both are good, but I'm gonna wait and see. I'm waiting for my One Piece cards in 5 years to do 10x or 20x, guys. Then you're gonna see me in the newspaper. Moroccan guy becomes ultra millionaire by selling his collection cards that he never sold. We are finding some support there. Look at that. We just broke. We're finding some support. It's holding a little bit. I'm just waiting to see if that's. I mean, you can even. I can even play it with like one micro contract and give it room, and give it room to the upside as well. If I enter long here, I don't know what would be my stop loss, to be honest. So I'm gonna wait. As much as I like this idea of long, it's because it's holding there. It's nicely holding. Gold is selling right now. Little flag forming above the level. That's how it's creating it, huh? Little consolidation. 10 a.m. in 2 minutes. Do we have news? Do we have news at 10 a.m., guys? Critical, yeah, consumer confidence at 10 a.m. So in 1 minute. Little flag there. We have news, gray, yeah. Which retest are you waiting, gray? Which retest? Yellow folder. I mean, here right now, I would probably take a long. I would probably take already a long here. But the problem is I don't know what will be my stop loss. Here. This candle low. That's the only problem I have right now. Where is my stop loss? 26,000. That's would be even nicer here. 5 seconds. Good luck. if you're long or whatever. News out now. Ooh, nice push there. Nice correction. But this becomes a fake out, and this becomes a short. I can be interesting for short line, right? Fake out, flag fake out, pushing. Let's see. It's still holding there. Still holding. I might enter, guys. If it flips green, do what you like. But if it does not and it's holding, it's correcting. No, yeah, I'm just chatting, but I'm gonna do what I think here. Look into it. Still holding the level there. I'm gonna take it, guys. Gonna take it. Stop loss. Limit. Don't have really one yet, but we'll figure it out. This is my last trade. I like it's holding that level. Yeah, the told you advice. Told you. This is my last trade. I like it. It's holding the level. Breaker retest. Breaker retest of this big level here. Previous pre-market highs and previous and big previous days high there. I just want a little bit push so I can move my stop loss to break even. If we break this 60s here level. I don't like that he's struggling that much. Come on, push. Yes, playing shorting is coming a bit lower, but hopefully it gives like a fake out and NQ holds. Okay, right now we want this fake out from ES and don't come lower. Okay. ES is the only one that is giving me some problem right now. It's not really holding there, but hopefully it does. Nice. Come on, push this piece of crap of market. Push. Really fighting a lot there. Removed one contract. So I decreased my risk there. I took what, $21 win there. $21? Yes, $21. So I decreased my risk to $122. Push, 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 like the old times. Push. Push market. Wait, guys, news. No. People are screaming there. Oh, it's the market's coming lower. Okay, that is the news for me here. Oh wow, I got slippage as well. So the gain I made from this contract, it's just lost for all this slippage I got here. Oh, $200 is a good loss for today. It was a beautiful breaker test. It did not work out as I wish. AES just sold off. And I think here, Nick, I'm thinking about you. This is a beautiful fake out for people like me that thinking about going long above this level. Really, right now, shorting it, it looks like a beautiful, beautiful idea of this flag here. To be honest, I was seeing the fact that this could have come lower, the fact that it was having such a difficulty to sell off, to buy. It was struggling week and week and week. That was a signal for me to step away from this trade and look for something else. But I'm glad anyway how I handle it. Definitely I can do better, and I'm gonna work on this. But beautiful day anyway. I'm happy with my day. I took a short here, took a loss. This short avoidable probably. Long, beautiful long here, not full sides. But it was a nice trade. Continuation long here after we grabbed this low and holding these two levels was interesting. But right now it looks like it wants to continue lower. For the rest, I think I'm happily done, guys. And I believe I'm just looking. I'm just waiting. I'm seeing something, and I wanna be sure what I see is correct, guys. It's coming back. Guys, if I'm not mistaken, 90% is back now. And you can use my code Hamza. You can check, try to use my code. 90% should be back. For that, I will announce it in Discord if I'm right. I will announce it as well in YouTube. For the rest, guys, have a beautiful time. Wish you the best, and see you tomorrow.